the point of your first few companies is just to get you on the ladder. It's to get you that experience. Um, I shared a post a while ago in the Veblen group about I can't remember her name. She took over the CEO role of Twitter, aka X, and had the unenviable job of trying to manage Elon Musk. But when she was first touted, everything the media talked about was her board seats and the board seats that she sat on over the last 10 years. And I went and had a look at her LinkedIn profile. And yeah, she had an incredible array of companies that she'd sat on, and they all made perfect sense within her career. And then it stopped. And there was nothing that had happened, like nothing about the boards she sat on before that 10 years. And I'm sure there's some boards there that probably weren't a good fit, probably weren't, yeah, maybe they went bust or yeah, it wasn't perfect. It doesn't matter. That's how she got the experience, which got her onto those later board seats. So yes, absolutely.